Level 2, studying Excel. Kanina, meron tayong image na na-derive yung pinindot natin yung sa insert under ng Smart Art Graphic. Kaya nagkaroon na tayo ng stack Venn diagram. Now, if gusto nating ibahin yung kulay ng ating illustration dito, double-click, mapapapunta yung ating selection sa design. Dito sa design, pwede nating maiba then yung ating illustration by clicking yung nanditong mga options. Pero balik tayo dito sa diagram na inedit natin na part. Double-click, change colors. May option tayo to change colors. Nandito lahat ng mga selections. May primary theme colors. If gusto natin without shade or no shade yung ating diagram. If may iba naman yung borderline ng ating diagram, pwedeng ito. At ito, may shades na medyo dark ang kulay. Pag gusto natin colorful, ito, pwede natin siyang maklik. This one, ito ba? Or ito. Merong per accents. May accent 1, accent 2, accent 3, accent 4. Iba-iba ang shape hanggang accent 6. Pero pwede din naman if hindi natin type yung mga colors dito na nag-auto-mate na, pwede natin iselect tong recolor pictures and smart art graphic. Ayun. And let's see. Na double-click natin. So, iyon ang ating option dito sa may design. Pwede din nating ibahin yung styles ng design. Pwede natin siyang ma-match doon sa document na matipuhan natin. Best match document, ito. Ito, ayan. Meron ding mga 3D options. This one. Ayan, makikita yung mga highlighted parts ng ating illustration. May parts din ito na medyo nagfe-fade, pero mas na-emphasize yung mga edges ng ating illustration. Ayan. Babalik tayo sa insert and sa ating smart art graphic. Natapos tayo sa relationship kay stack Venn. Pagpunta natin kay matrix, basic matrix. Ito ang kanyang itsura. Titled matrix, grid matrix, cycle matrix. Sa pyramid, may basic pyramid, merong inverted pyramid, merong pyramid list, at merong segmented pyramid. Dito sa picture may accented picture, circular picture callout, picture caption list, snapshot picture list, spiral picture, caption pictures, bending picture caption, bending picture semi-transparent text, bending picture blocks, bending picture caption list, titled picture blocks, picture grid, picture accent blocks, picture strips, titled picture accent list, alternating picture blocks, ascending picture accent process, alternating picture circles, title picture line up, picture line up, frame text picture, hexagon cluster, bubble picture list, circle picture hierarchy, horizontal picture list, continuous picture list, vertical picture list, vertical picture accent list, bending picture accent list, picture accent list, picture accent process. I-off natin and automatic meron na siyang ma-generate na image or illustration dito sa baba. Meron tayong options pagkalabas nito, i-move natin to the right, to the left, para may space dito yung isang illustration. And then dito na natin siya pwedeng ma-edit. Column 1, column 1, column 2, column 3. By column, and gusto natin kung anong gusto nating ilagay sa column 1, yung content na gusto nating ilagay. Column 1, Formula 1. This is an example. Formula 1, Formula 2. Column 2, Equation 1, Equation 2. Equation 1, Equation 2. Sa column 3, Data 1, Data 2. Picture accent process, and if gusto natin may image, picture accent process. Again, pwede tayong mag-generate ng pictures. Kapag clinic natin, ngayon walang pang images, pero pwede tayong mag-generate ng pictures. Ayon sa under sa insert. Available screen clipping, meron din tayong screen clipping. If anong gusto nating ma-clip. Like for example, ito, parang sa snipping tool, example din ng snipping tool sa under sa insert dito, sa available windows, pag sinelect natin ng screen clipping. Aside dun, merong store, may stores. Please wait apps for office. May lalabas siyang may apps na selection, tapos may store selection. Currently, nagre-reload pa. Ayan, apps for office, sort by popularity. May selection, popularity, rating, name, release date. Add-ins may access personal and document information by using an add-in. You agree to its permissions, license terms, and privacy policy. Sa category, meron siyang category dito, madami. All, CRM, data analytics, document review, editors, picks, education, financial management, maps and feeds, Microsoft 365 certified, productivity, project management, sales and marketing, training and tutorial, utilities, visualization. Dito sa all, pagkakita natin, merong madaming mga apps na mag-a-appear. So, madami siya from Scriptlab, Microsoft Garage Project, Wikipedia, Mobile Data Collection, Scan IT to Office, Microsoft Dynamics Office Add-in, Symbols and Characters, Fast Symbol Lookup, Stock Connector, Chart Expo for Excel, Draw.io Diagrams, Functions Translator, a Microsoft Garage Project, Mini Calendar and Date Picker, Office at Work, Template Chooser for Office, Web Video Player, Vertex 42 Template Gallery, Smart Charts for Excel, Task Pane, People Graph, Explore the Data, Activity Timer, Modern Charts, Lucid Chart Diagrams for Excel, Read My Document, Azure Machine Learning, Infopedia, Diccionario, De Lingua Portuguesa, Scribens Grammar Checker, Date and Time, Visual Paradigm Online for Office Solver, Bing Maps, and let's see. Aside sa Bing Maps, anyway, hanggang sa Works, lahat ng mga apps na iyan, Bubbles, madami, hanggang sa pinakababa, may DIY Portfolio Manager, Consistency Checker, Dictionario Priberam, what else? Gordic Auditor, To-Do List Pro, Sage Live Reporter. Sobrang dami, parang hindi siya nauubas kasi may nagre-reload pa sa pinakababa. Because this is an application, within an application. So, mga divided siya sa madami. CRM, ayan ang mga categories, medyo nagre-reloads. May nagre-reload pa ng onte. Data analytics, ayan, lahat ng options. Meron document review. Ayan, basta nakasort by popularity. Editors picks. Hanggang pinakaibaba. Education. Ayan, Wikipedia, activity timer, hanggang sa baba. Financial management. Financial management. Ayan. Maps and feeds. Maps and feeds. Ayan, Microsoft 365 certified. Then productivity. Project management. Let us see. Project management. Sales and marketing.